Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Returning residents who desire countryside living. This is your ideal home. With only 20 minutes to Kingston using the highway. This single family, 3,123 square feet residence, is located on Hartlands Boulevard and it sits on quarter-acre of land. The first floor consists of ensuite master bedroom with closet, two other bedrooms, and one bathroom, entertainment and sitting area, and secured front balcony. The ground floor has one bedroom, one bathroom, kitchen, living, dining, laundry room, storeroom, veranda, and carport. The property also has water tanks. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 20 million or US $129,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.